Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing absolutely great. Today we had a lot of snow and it's about like minus 25 degrees. So I'm driving from my office to home. So I'm just taking a shot of this. It's difficult task. It is going to be one tough ride because driving in snow it's not so easy. And also I'm trying to take the video. So let's go. So looks like they have cleared some snow. So that's good. Honestly, friends, I was not even able to clean my car. There's a lot of snow on the top of the car. Check out this lane. Not at all good. Oh my god. They did not even clear in the snow here. Yeah, we should be very cautious when, especially, this kind of road conditions. It's all over snow. It's good that my office is not too long from my home, so although I must say, the cold has entered into my feet now. So chilly, so cold. I just entered into my apartment community, so this is my community. They did not even clear the snow. So it's a short ride in a snow. So beautiful. Hope you all liked it.